Hi, I'm Elliot, a third year student at the University of Bristol, and I'm going to show you around the School of Earth Sciences, which is based here at the World Memorial Building, which is at the heart of the campus and the city of Bristol.
It's really inspiring to walk into a beautiful space like this every day. In our school, you'll join a community of experts working on some of the biggest global challenges, from managing the risks of eruptions and earthquakes, to understanding environmental change, to sustainable management of natural resources.
Earth Science students are a small and tight-knit group, and most of our lectures take place in here.
It's always reassuring to see familiar faces and makes it easy to get to know your course mates. All of my lectures are recorded, which is really helpful if I want to go over any parts of the lecture again. Our lecturers are world-leading researchers, many of whom work directly with industry and government. Their research feeds directly into what we're learning, putting us at the cutting edge of scientific developments.
Our building also has a library with all the textbooks we need. There are also computer rooms and study spaces just for Earth Science students.
It's great that we have lots of space for both quiet study and group study between lectures.
Our Earth Science collection contains over 100,000 scientific and historical samples.
These are used throughout our practicals, allowing us to get hands-on experience with rock specimens, fossils and microscope slides to improve our fundamental earth science skills, and you can access them right from the start of your degree. One of the highlights of Earth Sciences are the field trips we go on. It's brilliant to get outside, get your hands dirty and apply what you've learned. Field trips are directly relevant to our studies, helping us grow in confidence and develop specialised and transferable skills like teamwork, presenting and report writing. There are lots of sites near to us in Bristol that we use for fieldwork, and other field trips have gone to places like Tenerife, Scotland and southern Spain. Field trips are also a great way to get to know your course mates. At Bristol, they run an initial field trip before your first term even starts, so you can pick up basic fieldwork skills and start getting to know everyone straight away in a low-pressure environment. Some of my closest friends are the people I've met on field trips.
These are undergraduate teaching labs, which are a great place to work with all the equipment we need.
Here we learn skills like problem solving, coding, modelling, geochemical analysis, and how to interpret the data we've gathered during our fieldwork. Over the course of your studies, you get more independence to apply what you've learned, and by your final year, you'll be able to lead your own project, bringing together all of the field and lab skills you've gained. You'll gather your own data and samples in the field and analyse them in the lab, using the same highly specialised equipment used in the school's cutting-edge research.
As we come back out of school, here's the Earth Sciences lobby, where you'll see your course mates and lecturers coming and going. It's also a nice place to sit and relax between lectures or eat lunch. Next to Earth Sciences is the Great Hall, where we'll graduate together at the end of our studies.
As that gets closer, the school has been running regular career talks, often with Bristol alumni who have gone on to relevant jobs. I found this really useful to get an idea of the range of careers open to Earth scientists and to work out what interests me the most. I'm just about to start a summer internship at a local company focused on managing environmental pollution.
So, now we're back out at the top of Park Street, where there are loads of independent restaurants and cafes, which are great for grabbing a quick bite to eat or taking a break from studying. That's the end of our tour. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you at Bristol very soon.